Hey, Cameron McKenzie here. I'm the editor-in-chief at theserverside.com, and follow me on Twitter at CameronMCNZ. Right now, I wanted to very quickly show you how to download UiPath Studio, get a trial license for it, and install it on your Windows machine. The first step to installing UiPath Studio is just to head over to the download site, register, and click for a free trial. Shortly thereafter, you'll get an email, so go in there and copy the activation code and click the download link. The file you want is about 350 megs in size. It'll download in just a minute, and when it does, just click on the executable file or the MSI file and kick off the installation. You'll want to accept the license agreement, click install, let it install for a minute or two, and then once you've done the installation, hopefully you copied that activation code because you will need that momentarily. So click finish. Hopefully you copied that license key from the email, add that in, click continue, and then choose UiPath Studio Pro, especially if you're a developer. I'm not going to use SVN or TFS. I like Git. Got lots of Git tutorials on the serverside.com. That finishes things off, and then magically you will see the tool appear after you get rid of this annoying nag screen. And there you go. Now that's just the basic installation. Follow for more tutorials on how to actually create projects, create processes, and really start becoming functional with UiPath Studio. If you want to learn more, head over to theserverside.com. You can follow me on Twitter, and you can always subscribe on YouTube.